Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. AI used responsibly has the potential to free us from mundane tasks to do more meaningful human endeavors. My assistant will now explain AI and how to use it safely and effectively.
It may help to think about artificial intelligence as a digital brain that is powered by large computers. Very skilled engineers have developed this digital brain to learn extensive information, and then make that information available to us in the form of a chat with the AI. We interact with AI by first thinking about what we want to accomplish, and then asking AI a series of well-thought-out or well-engineered questions or instructions. This process is called prompt engineering. When interacting with AI, remember these tips. Protect data privacy. Safeguard personal details like your name, address, and financial and medical information. You can prompt AI to help identify potential private data. Also, understand AI and act responsibly. Continue to learn and experiment. Own your AI work. You can prompt AI to explain how it arrived at a response. And prioritize ethics. Avoid disinformation, bias, and discrimination to ensure fairness. You can prompt AI to prioritize ethical decision-making. Let's explore 3 practical use cases. Let's imagine we're an 8th grade teacher refreshing our curriculum. First, we want to create a 3-minute video introducing the topic data science. Using ChatGPT, let's try this prompt. Please create a script for a 3-minute video to introduce data science to 8th graders. Please make it inspiring and informative, formatted as a table with 2 columns describing imagery and text for each scene. Here's the result. Next, let's do some data science to visualize potential data science job growth. Using Google Bard, we try this prompt. Please research estimated data science job growth over the next 10 years. And then please create a graph showing that. Here's that result. It looks like data science jobs are growing significantly. Finally, let's go back and generate some images for our data science video script. Since our chat remembers the previous context, we can simply prompt. Please create an image for scene 6. Here's that result. We can refine the image, for example with this prompt. That's good. Please make it photorealistic, 16:9 and more inspirational. Now we see the regenerated image with our changes. In summary, AI can assist you with things like learning something new, streamlining boring business processes, creating something new, and creating video and images. Please use AI responsibly and take responsibility for your AI work. Now, back to you.
The best way to learn AI is to experiment with it while being mindful of data privacy and ethics. Thank you for being a responsible AI user, and good luck on your AI journey.